Alright, we are at June 2nd, 2018. It would be 8:10 p.m. Yeah, I kind of figured this would happen. They had a bunch of chem clouds over there in the distance. But yeah, on another note, you guys watch, I'm going to pan around to the slightly to the north. And wow, why does that look like a second light source right there? Here, I'll even freehand it. Get up a little bit higher so you guys can all see that. It's almost like that's the rainbow shift that you get from them putting the chems. Go back. There's your sun. See if I can get. I see a few through the barn. You see the mountains through the barn. You see the mountains in the southwest. All the way down. So when you come back, this is where the sun's supposed to be setting. Well, not really, but this is where it is setting. Let's go over. Pan a little bit more over. Well, what is that? That's like a huge glow. There's a little squirt that they shot. There's Frank. Here we go. Alright. So, I guess we're just gonna finish this off. See, I can get it with the filter for a few. It just, you don't get the visuals of everything around you. It's just odd. See if we can. Yeah, see, you're not getting any light source, so it's got to be a reflection off of something from the sun. Come on. Well, you would think the birds are migrating. They're just flying all over the place all of a sudden out of nowhere. Alright. Just gonna wash this here. Let it play out. Oh, I see a shiny guy flying. I wonder how heavily it is now that it's past that. Pull this off. Yeah, see, it's a little bit heavier. And then let's get this high flying shiny guy. Yeah, Southwest. Southwest Airlines. Has to be. See how it gets to a certain angle and the sun is just beaming on them. Alrighty then. That's enough of that. Let's go for last minute and a half. Hey buddy, how you doing? Nice little evening we got going on. I'm going to throw the lens cover back on, the filter, get the rest of this. We can anyway. Alright everybody, have yourself a good one. Be good to one another. Most of all, be safe out there. And peace out. How fast that thing's just going down.